vampire soap. I think it's cute. Lots of bats. I wish I had gotten these up just a tad, but this soap was getting thick and I would put a little bit on and I'd have to go pound it down. So the fact that I got this and we don't really see any like gaps or holes so far, I can't complain. I love him. I'm still debating if I should stamp the face on or not. I don't know. I have to play and see. But it's my Vampire Kisses soap. So yeah, I think I mentioned this, but I used the fragrance Bite Me from Midwest Fragrance. And well, that name is, I don't know, it's just, I don't want to name a soap Bite Me. But a friend who makes candles, Brookfield Candle Company, who I do a lot of events with, and we always talk and we exchange notes on fragrances we like and all of that. She was like, yeah, I got this scent. And I was like, oh, I got it too. And she's like, I renamed it Vampire Kisses. And I was like, a little air bubble there. I was like, that is awesome. I love that. And then of course, immediately I had this idea to make a vampire. So here you have it, Vampire Kisses. And you can thank my friend for the name. And look at the little coffin and the bat on top. And this is eco-friendly black glitter from the Good Glitter. I just love this soap. I said I just did the base a light blue and I'm really glad. Like, it's kind of a bluish gray. Look at that top. I think that it works. Like the star of the show is my vampire and the bats, and they stand out really well. I'm so excited over this. Now I just have to decide, do I want to add the face or do I not? That's the million-dollar question. So this is, I was playing around what the face looks like. So I have a stamp for the eyes and the fangs, the teeth. But I don't know. Do I stamp it or do I not? Let me know what you would prefer, though by the time you see this it'll already be done, but so, there you have it.